Hi, it's Amber, and we're here today with another tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Today we're going to be making this journal pencil pouch. So here are some of the things that you are going to need to get started. Now you're going to cast on with waste yarn and knit 5 to 10 rows with that yarn. Then you're going to switch to your main color and you're going to knit 80 to 90 rows depending on your tension. Switch back to waste yarn and let it fall off the loom. Give it a stretch and you're going to slip stitch each side closed. Don't forget to remove your waste yarn. Once you're done, you're going to take your pencil or pens and you're going to line up the edges and fold and shape your pocket. All right, I like to use my pencil as a guide. So my pouch is going to measure about 7 inches. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to seam both the sides using a mattress stitch. If you want to see how to do this, check out some of the other tutorials on my page. Okay, so once you're halfway done, go ahead and pull it shut, or start pulling it closed, I should say. Right, you can see it's virtually seamless. All right, and you're going to keep going all the way up the sides, but see that pretty clean as you go. Okay, you're going to repeat this on both sides. When you get to the top, you're going to go ahead and secure your corners just like that. Okay, now we're going to figure out our button placement. I want it to go right about here. And then now we are going to turn our work away from us and we're going to find the center. Once you find that center, I want you to put your crochet hook in the stitch just to the right of the center. Then you're going to drop that loop. You can see the directions are right here. You're going to chain 1, single crochet back into that same stitch, and then I want you to chain 6. Okay, now depending on your tension, right, we're creating a loop right here, so depending on your tension, you may need to increase or decrease a stitch. Once you chain that 6, I want you to put your button, right, and kind of line it up and make sure that loop folds over that button. Okay, once you're good to go, then go ahead and sew the button to your work. You're going to clean up all of the edges of your crochet. Now you're going to measure double the length of the journal, okay? And so cut that ribbon, right? And I like to cut it just a little short, right? It leaves that gap right there. And the reason I do that is so that I can remove my pocket from my journal if I need to. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue to my ribbon. I'm going to glue the pouch to the ribbon and ta-da. Okay, so now I want you to go make this in all the colors. This is great for pencils, pens, crochet hooks, even small pairs of reading glasses. There you go. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe.